Namaste, salam, sat sri akal, and welcome to the vlog. This is Akshay Singh. On my channel, I'm Valmiki. Today, I'm doing a video in collaboration with Inscape Dreams. So, I have Kaushik Bhai behind me.
Hi.
So, Kaushik Bhai has built a extended windscreen by 6 inches, and that is 4 mm thick by acrylic sheet. Can you tell me more about it, Kaushik Bhai?
The thing is, the normal windscreen that comes with the KTM is just about 9 inches high, and we wanted to create something which would be comfortable, easy to mount, and easy to hold across.
Okay.
So we have come up with this acrylic mount where we are just going to raise the height by 6 inches, cost effective and ready to use by anybody. It gets stuck on the, it can be mounted on the normal mounts that have been provided by KTM. So it's easy. I'll show you the process how it is to be mounted.
So, Kaushik Bhai, why exactly you made this on the same frame? What was the reason behind it?
There's a pretty little science behind this mount. Company was planning to come out with extended windscreens on the same mount,
Okay.
which it has not come out with. These may be true or false. I don't know exactly that company was coming out with them, but whatever videos or whatever ideations that I've seen, the renderings that I've seen,
Yes.
company was planning to use the same mount.
Okay.
It must have tested something. There is a science behind this to be mounted. Now when we use an stock option, there is very less amount of problems to be created.
Yes.
If you create a new mount, it will be steady or not. Company has always come out with a product which is steady and best for every use. So we are just changing this thing. This is a 3 mm thingy, but to extend it for 6 inches, we'll need a more sturdier one. This is a plastic molded one. We are using acrylic. Acrylic because it is easier to mold and readily available.
Okay.
So people are using that thing.
Okay.
Internationally also, whatever is being done, whatever modified things are coming, they use different materials. We are using an acrylic, 4 mm acrylic on the same model, which has been tested on ground,
Okay.
on the bike, by me personally, and I would vouch for it.
So Kaushik Bhai, there are a few people who have made this mount on a metal mount. So this windscreen which they have made, that is already heavy, and apart from that, the mount is of metal. So which is giving a complete load on the headlight.
The thing is, increasing the load on the headlight doesn't make any sense. Even the acrylic ones that we have made, it's about 18 inches by 16 inches in size. More or less 17 by 16 inches. But the weight of it is very less. It's not more than 500 to 600 grams.
Yes.
Which should suffice this thing. Because whenever the air pressure comes, it is going to push this back. The,
Yeah, that is
the
true.
air has to go up.
Yes.
But until and unless it doesn't pass, it will push this thing. The whole load will come on the headlight. The headlight is mounted on only 2 rods. Already it is too heavy.
Yes.
The whole headlight assembly set is about 5 to 6 kgs weight,
Yeah.
which is a heavier thing on a half inches ka rods.
Yes, that is.
So whatever you do, you have to keep it bare minimum. People are making it in mount, which in itself is weighing around 400-500 grams, plus an acrylic thingy. So the windscreen and all that is making it heavier by about 1.5 kgs,
more,
which is a lot for this headlight assembly to hold on. तो यहाँ पे 4 mm एंड 3 mm दोनों चाहिए. तो 3 mm का एयरलाइन की हम अपने विंड स्क्रीन के साथ में हम प्रोवाइड करेंगे, प्लस हम स्क्रूज भी प्रोवाइड करेंगे विच विल बी 5 mm मोर देन द रेगुलर स्क्रूज, ताकि आपको प्रेस करने में थोड़ा सा इसमें काम है, पर ये DIY है. आप घर पे इसको आराम से कर सकते हैं. आपको बाहर से कुछ भी लाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. जो हम स्क्रू देंगे उसको आप घर के प्लस स्क्रू ड्राइवर से टाइट कर सकते हैं. कुछ भी नहीं करना. एलाइन की ये निकालने के लिए, लगाने के लिए जो मैं दिखाऊंगा अभी, वो तो यही स्क्रू ड्राइवर पे करेंगे हम. आपको हमें एक्स्ट्रा दे रहा हूँ ताकि आपको ईजी हो. This is a 3 mm Allen key which we'll provide with the windscreen. I'll just show you the process of how to remove this.
So it's a easy removable one, right?
It is easy. The company, whatever the company has given, is very easy and very scientific also. So this is the screwdriver provided by KTM
In
bike.
the toolkit, right?
In the toolkit, yes. And you have to first loosen up this end of the plastics so that the lock, there's a lock.
Okay.
You have to remove this lock. So you'll have to loosen up.
So it's just a bit of a press on both the sides in the corners.
You have to remove the locks. You'll have to loosen up the locks a bit because it's hard plastic, and hard plastics are not easily removable.
Will come out.
Yes, like so. I have removed both the locks. There are two locks over here also, but it's not a bigger issue. You just have to press this down and remove it from one end. The other end will come out easily, just a little bit. Everything is safe, so you can reuse this whenever you want. If you want to, if you have to show off, keep this at home and be free for the lifetime. We remove these which comes along with the screws. Then you have to remove the visors, the rubber visors. This will be used again. You can use this also, or the ones provided with the windscreen. So this is Inkscape Dreams product. This is the windscreen that has been increased in height by 6 inches. The weight of this is comparable to the company's product, about 200 grams more from the company's stock product. Nothing much, totally. So it is very easy to mount. You just have to press the locks in, and voila.
So it's ready. It's that
ready,
easy.
it's
You
done.
just have to screw up.
Yes. Now you have to just put in the visors and screw it up. That's it.
And fix it.
Yes.
So
Here I have these extra visors that we were discussing about that will provide. I'll be using that, and you can use the stock visors also, so no issues. This I have chosen the orange ones because it matches the whole color of the bike. Black and orange is the tone of this bike, and this will be a good product to look at. So this is how it looks on the stock ones.
how you'll fix it? Can you please show me the fixing process?
It's again very easy. It's just how you do with the standard ones. Take the 4mm Allen key.
So this will be fixed on this bike.
Yes.
It's already been removed. So basically we'll fix it on the lower one because
You
it
can
would
fix
be
it on
more
the lower
steady.
ones, or you can put it on the upper ones.
But I believe the lower one is more steady. It's more steady because the structure is made in that way. Because the frame which previously the company has given, that was a bit small. So it's good to adjust. But if you're using a 6-inch one, we thought that in mind, and that's the reason we made it 6 inch, right? So that on lower side it will be more
Even people
steady.
with the height of 6.5 feet, when they sit on the bike, they just have to mount it on the upper hole or on the middle. For 6 feet people, this is good enough. The lower mount is good enough.
Yes.
For people more than 6.5, I think that they'll have to go for the full height. So this is how this looks on the bike, fixed on the lower mount. So this is our product, Inkscape Dreams. This is our product, a package, and the cost for the same is shared in the link below. Please go there, like, subscribe Akshay Singh, and like our products. Give us our feedback, very valuable to us. Thank you.
This is the windscreen. This is the headlight protector. You can also buy it in a combo offer on my website. Even I'll share you the Razorpay link where you can buy the headlight protector, you can buy the headlight protector. If you want to buy the windscreen, you can buy the windscreen. And if you want to buy the combo, that will be an offer for you. So this is all about the product that we have launched. And if you're watching this video, thank you for watching it. If you like the product, please share it across. Let all the adventure riders get the benefit of it. This is Akshay Singh signing off from M. Valmiki. Thank you.